Hello crypto fans, this is Crypto Inspector, and in today's episode we're gonna explain what is Ethereum in just 5 minutes. So let's jump into the agenda. So who invented Ethereum? We're gonna go through what is Ethereum. We're gonna go through how to get Ethereum wallets. So as I said, you need an e-wallet to get this Ethereum crypto. The merge, and also why invest in it. I mean, it's gonna be self-explanatory since you're gonna see how good is this crypto. Let's start with who is the founder. His name is Vitalik Buterin, and he founded it in 2013. It's the second most popular and largest cryptocurrency with a market cap of 136 plus billion as of June 2022. This cryptocurrency called is Ether, so with an ETH acronym. Its current value is 1,000 euros as of today, and with an all-time high of 4,690. It has its own blockchain, so it's the Ethereum blockchain. And also when you send the transaction of Ethereum, whether it be from your DeFi, decentralized wallet, or a broker, you can go to Etherscan, as you can see here, add the transaction hash ID, and you can track it and see exactly where is your Ethereum. So it has a great foundation called the ERC20 token, which is a blockchain-based assets that have and can be sent and received. So basically developers can develop their own crypto with the Ethereum technology, okay, and smart contracts. And also now you're gonna tell me why Ethereum, okay? So let's go through their official website and see what they are saying. So it's banking for everyone. So all you need is an internet access and you have access to it. It's more private internet, so that means you don't need KYC, and you don't need to give a lot of information. It's an economy based on value rather than surveillance, if you know what I mean. It's a peer-to-peer network, so there's no need for intermediary. Okay, you just send it from one person to the other, that's it. It's censorship resistant, so basically there's no government or company that monitors or has control of it. It's a completely decentralized. Okay, it's a commerce guarantees, so basically if you want to make online business with Ethereum technology, you can do that secure and safely. And also it has a compatibility for Win, so there's constant innovation. As I said before, with the ERC20 technology, a lot of developers are innovating with that. So by the way, don't forget to subscribe, learn and share. I really appreciate that. And let's continue to our topic. So how many people work for Ethereum? Okay, so we have 20 employees, with executive and non-executive and software testers, and also there's a lot of other, so many hundreds of developers per month using the ERC20 Ethereum technology, innovating with that. So let's go through the Ethereum wallet. So where you can store your Ethereum if you want to own it. So there's both, there's the decentralized, the DeFi ones, and also the centralized. So I'll link this in the description. So there's 35 of them. That's MetaMask. I also have a video how you can open your MetaMask account simply, and you know, it will help you with that. So also there's a lot of centralized ones like Binance, Coinbase. They're basically easily found. Also I have a playlist for that. I'll link it also in the description, how you can open an account with Binance and Coinbase. Let's talk about the merge, okay, the benefits of it. So the merge is predicted to happen next month, okay, in August 2022. It's the most significant upgrade in the history of Ethereum, okay, so it has run through extensive testing and bug bounties. That means they paid hackers basically to hack the environment before the production, before it goes live. So it's quite strong and secure. And also the great benefit of it is that it will reduce the energy consumption by 99.95%. So you can imagine now the miners, how happy and how much they're eager and waiting for that. I mean, they're gonna make more profits basically with less energy consumption. So basically you're gonna be wondering, are my Ethereum safe now with this merge? Do I have to do anything that this merge is happening? If you own Ethereum and this merge is happening, do you have to change anything, any address or anything? You don't need to do anything, okay? So as your Ethereum is stored in your DeFi wallets or in your brokers, it's gonna stay there. Nothing, you don't need to worry about that. What you need to worry is about the scammers, and I have a video about that. I like how scammers, they scam you. I'll link this also in the description. They're gonna be talking about the Ether 2. Just ignore them, okay? You don't need to do anything. Thank you for watching. Crypto Inspector is out.